bloom it.
I'm afraid so, partner. Even though we're on a plant down cycle.
The net impact could affect the new growth up cycle.
Exactly. Nature lovers, what we definitely don't do in nature is disturb or remove plants or animals and put up extra stuff in their habitat.
It's a nature reserve, not a rock concert.
Instead, what we should do is respect nature and respect the historical sites we might find in nature.
What she said. So keep conserving, nature lovers.
And we'll keep protecting and serving nature.